The fascinating world of real estate is shaped by a myriad of factors, with some being more evident than others. While market dynamics such as supply and demand undoubtedly play crucial roles, other subtler elements exert significant influence as well. Here, we unravel the impact of civic developments, legislative impacts, and cultural shifts on the property market. Civic developments, more than just infrastructure. Enhanced connectivity, infrastructure projects, such as new roads, bridges, or public transit systems, greatly enhance the accessibility of a region. This not only reduces commuting times, but also brings areas previously deemed remote into the spotlight, resulting in increased demand and higher property values. Upgraded public amenities, the establishment or renovation of parks, recreational areas, and community centers can transform a locale's attractiveness. Such developments foster community bonding and offer residents improved quality of life, subsequently boosting property appeal. Urban planning and design, thoughtful urban planning that focuses on sustainability, pedestrian-friendly spaces, and aesthetically pleasing landscapes can attract potential homeowners and investors alike. Environmental initiatives, investments in green spaces, water conservation, and pollution control can make an area more appealing for the eco-conscious buyer, indirectly pushing property prices upward. Legislative impacts, the power of policy. Fiscal incentives, tax breaks or credits for first-time homebuyers can stimulate demand by making property acquisition financially appealing. Property purchase subsidies, direct subsidies can lower the effective purchase price for buyers, making homeownership more accessible to a broader segment of the population. Zoning and land use regulations, policies governing what can be built where can dramatically influence property values. For instance, a shift from residential zoning to mixed use can spur commercial activity and potentially elevate property prices. Tenant protection laws, stringent regulations that heavily favor tenants might deter potential landlords, affecting the investment property segment. Foreign investment rules, restrictions or incentives for foreign property buyers can significantly impact demand and, subsequently, property values. Cultural shifts, the undercurrents of society. Urban migration, the global trend of populations moving towards urban centers, seeking employment and lifestyle opportunities, invariably leads to increased demand in city properties. Changing living preferences, as societies evolve, so do living patterns. The recent preference for open-plan homes, co-living spaces, or properties with home offices illustrates how changing lifestyles dictate property demand. Generational attitudes, different generations prioritize different amenities. While baby boomers might have sought suburban homes with expansive lawns, millennials and Gen Z might prioritize proximity to public transit or high-speed internet connectivity. Environmental consciousness, with increasing awareness about sustainability, properties that incorporate eco-friendly design or renewable energy sources may become more sought after. Concluding insights. Real estate, as Pooyan Ghamari keenly observes, is a reflection of society's multifaceted nature. It stands at the intersection of concrete infrastructure and intangible cultural nuances. By understanding the triad of civic developments, legislative dynamics, and cultural shifts, stakeholders can anticipate market trends and make informed, strategic decisions. In the evolving tapestry of real estate, these insights are threads weaving the future.